Welcome back guys, myself Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur, Delhi and Ahmedabad. In this video, we will discuss what is the entry outward and what is the process of filing the entry outward with the custom department, right? So section 39 of the Custom Act provides that the goods, the export cargo will not be loaded on the vessel unless and until the shipping company has filed the entry outward with the proper officer, right? So first of all, export outward is a permission which is granted by the proper officer to for the loading into onto the vessel of the export cargo. It will be issued after the vessel arrives at the port and import general manifest has been filed. The perquisites for the loading export cargo onto the vessel, right? So who will file the entry outward? Generally, the entry outward will be filed by the shipping line and shipping agent, steamer agent, right? Thereafter, we will discuss what is the practical process of filing the entry inward. First of all, vessel will arrive at the custom port, right? Thereafter, import general manifest will be filed. The shipping company agent will file a IGM electronically with the custom. Thereafter, submit entry outward request. The shipping agent submit entry outward request through the custom system, right? IceGate portal, or thereafter custom verification. The proper officer will verify vessel details, IGM filing, port permissions, statutory compliances, and grant of entry outwards. Thereafter, export cargo loading. After entry inward is granted, shipping bills can be processed for loading, and export cargo is loaded onto the vessel. Right. Thereafter, what are the documentation which is required to be attached along with the filing? First is the vessel details, right? Port details, general details, port clearance document, authorization documents, right? This is the documentation which is required at the time of filing the application, right? Suppose you have if a entry outward is not granted before the vessel scheduled departure, right? So what to do in that situation, right? So export cargo cannot be normally be loaded until the export outward is granted. तो जिसके कारण क्या हो सकता है, आपका कार्गो मिसिंग हो सकता है वेसल, और वेसल मिसिंग हो सकता है जिससे कि आपकी शिपमेंट डिले हो सकती है और एडिशनल शॉर्टेज चार्जेस आपके ऊपर लगाए जा सकते हैं. कैन ए शिपिंग बिल रिसीव ए लेट एक्सपोर्ट ऑर्डर बिफोर एंट्री आउटवर्ड इज ग्रांटेड? क्या आपको शिपिंग बिल जो है रिसीव हो सकता है, शिपिंग बिल पर जो लेट एक्सपोर्ट ऑर्डर है वो आपको रिसीव हो सकता है बिफोर द एंट्री आउटवर्ड इज ग्रांटेड? यस, जो मैनी केसेस के अंदर जो शिपिंग बिल है उस पर क्या है, आपको लेट एक्सपोर्ट ऑर्डर मिल जाता है बिफोर द फाइलिंग ऑफ एंट्री आउटवर्ड. द कार्गो कैन नॉट बी लोडेड ऑन टू द वेसल अंटिल एंट्री आउटवर्ड इज ग्रांटेड. What should an exporter do if shipping line delays filing of entry outward request? The exporter should immediately contact the shipping line or agent, obtain the reason for delay, and coordinate with the freight forwarder and custom broker to avoid the missing vessel schedule. Thereafter, can export cargo be loaded if the vessel has arrived but entry outward has not been issued, right? So generally no, under section 39 of the Custom Act 1962, export goods cannot be ordinarily be loaded on the vessel unless and until export outward is granted by the custom officer. Thereafter, what are the common reasons for delay in granting the entry inwards, right? First reason in delay in filing the IGM, import general manifest. Second is the incorrect vessel details is mentioned. Third thing is a pending custom verification of the goods. Fourth is the post port clearance issues. Fifth is the technical problems in custom EDI system. The next thing is the how does a change in vessel or your number in the एंट्री इनवर्ड, जो वेसल नंबर है उसके अंदर आपको शिपिंग लाइन को अपडेट कराना हो कस्टम रिकॉर्ड्स के अंदर. तो दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ फाइलिंग द एंट्री आउटवर्ड विद द कस्टम डिपार्टमेंट, एंड वी इज ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड व्हाट आर द प्रोसेस ऑफ फाइलिंग, व्हाट आर द इश्यूज व्हिच जनरली फेस्ड बाय द importers, exporters and shipping lines. Can cargo already brought into the port to be shifted into another vessel if entry outward is delayed? तो क्या आप जो है जो भी पोर्ट है वो शिफ्ट कर सकते हो टू अनदर वेसल? तो इसके अंदर आप जो है यहाँ पर कर सकते हो. व्हाट हैपेंस इफ कस्टम ईडीआई सिस्टम इज अनअवेलेबल व्हाइल फाइलिंग एंट्री इनवर्ड? तो आप जो है शिपिंग लाइन कस्टम ब्रोकर को आपको जो है कंटिजेंसी प्रोसीजर जो कि प्रेस्क्राइब किया है कस्टम्स के अंदर पोर्ट अथॉरिटी के द्वारा, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको हिसाब करना चाहिए. Does entry outward affect export incentives such as road tax or duty drawback? Entry outward itself does not determine the eligibility of export incentive, right? If a delay in the loading or export because of entry outward, so it cannot affect your road tax benefits or duty drawback benefits. So I hope this video is very helpful regarding the how to file the entry inwards. What are the issues which generally faced by the shipping lines, exporters, importers, and how to fix these issues. So thank you guys for watching this video. Still, if you have any doubt regarding that, you will also connect on the number you on the screen. Thank you.